Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Key space. In this slide, we calculate the key space of the Enigma. This means we look at the total number of possible keys. That number will not only give us an impression, why the Germans felt so sure about their encryption method, but also where the Turing bomb saw points for attack. For the key space, we have to look at the rotors, the ring settings, the position of each rotor itself, as well as the plugboard settings. First, click on the 4 buttons to learn more about the individual topics. Afterwards, you click on the central button for the total number. 3 out of 5 rotors had to be chosen. Hence, there were 5 possibilities for the first rotor, 4 possibilities for the second rotor and 3 possibilities for the last rotor. Since the reflector was seldomly changed, it can be excluded from this calculation. The total number of possibilities caused by the plugboard can be computed using the Gauss formula. Since from August 1939 onwards, exactly 10 plugs had to be placed, we have more than 150 trillion possibilities. For each of the 3 rotors, there were 26 possibilities to set them, 1 possibility for each letter of the alphabet. Hence, in total, 26 times 26 times 26 possibilities. However, there is one aspect which needs to be mentioned. There was an anomaly in the mechanism, which caused the middle rotor to turn twice instead of once. Supposed the ring settings are known, there remain only 26 times 25 times 26 settings which are of cryptographical importance. Therefore, different numbers can be found in literature. We will do our calculation however without considering this anomaly. For the right rotor, there were 26 possible ring settings to choose from. The same was true for the rotor in the middle. Since the ratchet and pawl mechanism of the left rotor had no effect, this rotor has no effect on the size of the key space. Multiplying all those numbers, we get a total of over 107 sextillion possible keys. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.